Cardinal Peter Erdo is the president of the European Bishops' Conference. Recently, he, along with Vice Cardinal Angelo Bagnasco, met with the Pope to analyze the situation of Catholics in Europe. Right now, preparations are underway for the coming plenary assembly from October 3rd to the 6th, which will be held in Slovakia. The theme translates to God and the state, secular versus secularism. Among the topics is the discrimination some Europeans face when they profess their faith. In Europe, we have several challenges, but we're working with this issue in particular. It affects not only Jews, but Muslims and Christians as well. For example, during the World Jewish Congress in Budapest, the interference of states and religious practices was addressed. And this is precisely why the European Conference of Bishops has a type of think tank that focuses on religious intolerance in Europe. As an example, Cardinal Erdo talked about the challenges Catholics face in Bosnia. The problem of Bosnia is that since the Balkan War, the Catholic population has been unable to stay in its homeland. Almost 90% were expelled and forced to leave the country. They never had a real opportunity to go back home. Maybe they did in paper, but it wasn't feasible for them to go back. And even though there are many challenges on that continent, Cardinal Erdo says there are still lots to be optimistic about. And proof of that, he says, are public initiatives like Project One of Us, which aims to protect the unborn in Europe.